Nevşehir-Style braised beef. Cut the green peppers in half, remove the seeds and then thinly slice. Skin the tomatoes, slice off the tops and then dice. Melt 2 tablespoons of margarine in a medium-sized lidded pot. Thinly slice the 3 cloves of garlic and sauté for about 2 minutes until you smell the aroma. Add the meat and then the green peppers and tomatoes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Last of all, add 100 ml of hot water, place the lid on the pan and cook for 40 minutes at medium heat. Serve nice and hot.